we have Rain. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Rain. So, I have watched The Hungry and the Hairy on Netflix, which happens to be Rain, one of them at least. I have seen, and I think you actually mentioned this here, JYP soloist. Because of him, Bam Bam joined JYP Entertainment, and Bam Bam's mother loves this man so much. And then you have... D. Okay. So. Now, as you're right, I bet you already know that song because BTS did a legendary cover of that song. The original is the original. Now, I actually have the original on my K-pop playlist, but I've never seen the video. So I can't wait to check out this video. Okay, so hold on. So Rainism is probably the most covered song in history. Bam Bam also covered it in Thailand when he was a kid, together with Lisa. So Blackpink Lisa, I'm assuming. That's amazing. And GOT7 as a whole. So GOT7 did a cover of Rainism as well. Oh, this covers live stream we're gonna do at some point is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. But anyways, no way, they're childhood friends? That's amazing. I love that. I love that. Awesome. So, anyways, so let's get into Rainism, the music video, because I've never seen the music video. I know the song, and I know the song very well because I've probably seen the BTS cover like 1,000 times because Jungkook is just killing it. And and then of course the BTS version is not to be found on Spotify, so I had to go for the original because I actually really like the song too. So, but like I said, I've never seen the video. So let's do that now. Rainism. Yeah, when I was in army, I devoured that. That cover is it's immaculate. I'm sorry, but it is. Anyways, so Rainism music video full version 2008 official music video. Right, here we go. Ew. Okay, I can already tell this music video is gonna be badass. It's gonna be badass. All right. Oh, you heard Rainism, but never saw. Yeah, I never saw the original video either. I am excited for this. Also, it looks awesome. This whole build-up of this video is amazing. Like, I want to watch this movie. Yes. I cannot tell you how much I love the beginning of this song. I just love this beginning. I'm sorry. It gets me every time. every time. And the choreo, like that move is legendary.
I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. 나를 보는 시선들을 느껴. How do you feel? Make some noise. Make some noise. 피하려고 애를 써도 느껴지는 나의 Rainism. Rainism. I make you Rainism. Rainism. 넌 이제 빠져버렸어. I'm gonna be crazy now. It's crazy now. 넌 이제 벗어날 수 없어. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy.
This video is awesome, and I just love this legendary choreo. Like, I am obsessed with the choreo for this song. Choreo. Like, it's so good. It's so good.
I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. 떨리는 네 몸 안에 돌고 있는 나의 majesty. 더 이상 넘어갈 수 없는 한계를 느낀 body shape. Body shape. I make you Rainism. Rainism. 내 몸을 느껴버렸어. I'm gonna be crazy now. Yes, crazy now. 느껴봐 나의 모든 걸.
And this breakdown, too. That's very Michael Jackson-esque with the sound effects on the dance moves, right? It's just giving me, like, anyone old enough to remember when Bad came out? And they had the dance battle in the parking garage is kind of giving me that. I'm loving it. This is so cool.
It's time to get down.
The Kane choreo. I love it.
Rain, go, hey, ho, JL, yo, still love, yo, bring the beat back. Ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, put your hands up. This is JT Camp.
Yes! I feel like if this was an actual movie, I would watch that shit. Like, and it would be exactly the type of movie that I would love. It is so dope. Right? I feel like anyone who knows K-pop in any way, shape, or form would like has to know Rainism, right? I don't know why, but I keep thinking Rain is from 2 p.m. I don't know. Someone tell us. Elodie, you're the resident, or S, you guys are the resident experts, I guess. I don't know. Is Rain from 2 p.m.? I feel like Rain is older, right? Or am I wrong? Yeah, right? See, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking like Rain is like first generation, basically, K-pop. But anyways, Rainism is legendary. Legendary. And I feel like you don't have to have been into K-pop for very long to have at least become familiar with the song in some way, shape, or form.